Hi, my name is Arshi Shaikh and I'm an assistant professor in the Department of Social Development Studies at Renison University College. I'm the author of this course on understanding diversity in Canada. As the title suggests, this course is about understanding diversity in Canada. And it is not just about imparting factual information about diversity that exists in this country. I'm anticipating that you will acquire an understanding of diversity in Canada by engaging in deep reflections, readings, assignments, and group discussion activities. This course will require you to become active learners and critical thinkers from day one. Now let me take a moment to describe the learning approach that we are going to take in this class. Usually, when I teach this course in the classroom, I adopt a very conversational approach where I ask questions to students and I let them discuss their answers before presenting the material on topic. In each of these modules, I have tried to follow a similar style of teaching. At several junctures in each of these modules, I will invite you to share your ideas, knowledge, opinions, and experiences before I share my own ideas and what the literature says about a given topic. So this is the approach that we are using in this online course. Throughout the modules, you will see a number of course pages that have a title, a prompt question, a text box with save button, and that's it. On these pages, I invite you to jot down your ideas about the question and click save. Clicking save will reveal the content on the rest of the page. Now, why is it important to write down your ideas? In this case, I would like you to think about the topic before I tell you what I think. Your responses don't have to be fully structured thoughts or even incomplete sentences. The important thing is to think and reflect about the topic before you read the material. The web page will record your thoughts so that you can come back to read them later. You can also return to the page to edit them if you have changed your ideas and want to capture them. These are not notes that I will be reading. They are for you and you alone. When it comes to write down your non-comfort zone experience paper or your self-awareness paper, you may find these notes useful. It's likely that you might want to go back to your own ideas and build them or incorporate them in your assignments. Also, these notes might prove helpful with reflection questions and discussion questions. This tool was created specifically for this course, so take full advantage of it. I need to clarify that this course doesn't teach you the details of different cultures and countries. Rather, the course explores the concept of diversity from social work and social justice perspectives. Therefore, we are going to explore the notions of self and others and how these distinctions give rise to diversity-related issues such as power, privilege, discrimination, and oppression in the broader society. I would urge you to complete each module in its natural sequence, starting from Module 1 and ending with Module 12. Each module builds upon the knowledge co-constructed in the previous modules. Hence, the sequence or order of modules is of paramount significance. Having said this, I would like to welcome you on a journey of self-discovery, self-reflections, and group interactions from now on.